Car accidents happen every day here in Charlotte. And while no two crashes are exactly the same, we do see a lot of the same causes coming up again and again. Sometimes it's driver error, sometimes it's poor road conditions, other time it's something more complicated, like a vehicle defect or dangerous road design. If you've been injured in a crash and you're trying to make sense of what happened, knowing the most common causes can help you understand your case a little better. Hi, I'm Auger with Auger Auger Accident and Injury Lawyers. For over 30 years, we've been helping people across North Carolina after car accidents, and we've seen it all, from fender benders on Providence Road to serious collisions on I-485. A lot of people think these crashes are cut and dry, but figuring out what really caused an accident takes experience, investigation, and attention to detail. One of the most common causes we see is distracted driving. It's not always texting. It could be someone fiddling with their GPS, changing the music, eating, or even zoning out behind the wheel. The scary thing is, it only takes a second of distraction to cause a major crash. Next up, we've got speeding. Whether it's someone running late or just being reckless, speed plays a huge role in both how often crashes happen and how serious they are. When you add in aggressive driving, like tailgating or weaving through traffic, the risk skyrockets. Impaired driving, whether it's alcohol, drugs, or even prescription medication, continues to be a major issue. These are some of the hardest cases we see because they're completely preventable. We've helped clients who were hit by drivers leaving a bar, a party, or even under the influence during their morning commute. Then there's the weather and road conditions. Charlotte gets its fair share of heavy rain, and we've seen plenty of accidents where hydroplaning or poor visibility played a role. But even dry roads can be dangerous if they're not maintained properly. Things like potholes, missing signs, or malfunctioning traffic lights can lead to serious accidents. Another common factor, driver fatigue. People underestimate how dangerous it is to drive while drowsy. Accidents that involve a driver that falls asleep at the wheel usually occur on a highway at a high rate of speed when the driver veers into oncoming traffic and causes a head-on collision, resulting in catastrophic injuries. We see this often in late night and early morning crashes or long-haul drivers. And finally, we can't forget about vehicle issues, like faulty brakes, tire blowouts, or airbag malfunctions. If a car part fails or causes a crash or worsens your injuries, you could have a claim against the manufacturer. So what does this all mean for you? If you've been hurt in an accident, do not assume the cause is obvious or that you don't have a case. Even if you think you were partially at fault, it's still worth talking to an attorney. Our job is to look at every detail, witness reports, traffic cameras, black box data from vehicles to help figure out what happened and who's truly responsible. At Auger Auger, we don't just stop at the police report. We dig deeper, and with our A&A zero-fee guarantee, you never pay anything unless we win your case. If you were injured in a crash, no matter the cause, reach out to us at augerlaw.com or give us a call. We'll walk you through what happened and help you figure out your next steps.